I'm overwhelmed when I see our dream at Aviation Roundtable committee.
We are always excited from SCAA point of view to interact with every aviation stakeholder, major ones like the Aviation Roundtable. Yes.
Now the visions for Quorum Aviation is very similar to what I saw when I was working for SkyWest Airline, which basically connected, take Los Angeles as the base, and then connect to San Diego, Santa Barbara, Yuma, St. George, Utah. These are all 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour flights. And I am confident we can replicate that same template in Nigeria. Particularly if we can do the right strategic relationships.
Nigerian aviation can only progress through strategic partnership.
In Quorum, they had the vision that I had, which was how to develop aviation in Nigeria. You notice that Abiola has talked about the shuttle service. Leave those who want to do Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, Yola. I'm happy for them. But if you want to make that extra bit of money, you've got to be in a niche market, which is the shuttle business. He's just focusing in the north of Nigeria, Kaduna-Abuja, Sokoto, Kano, etc., etc.
We are the type certificate holder for the Dornier 328 jet and prop. That is a unique aircraft in the aviation world.
The 328 has always been a wonderful aircraft. And if you go onto Wikipedia or anywhere and check the accident statistics, it is in the top 3 safest aircraft in the world. And if I'm not mistaken, and Ray has to correct me on this because I don't want to give wrong information, I think there has only been 1 fatality in the history of the Dornier 328.
One fatal accident,
One fatal accident in the history. That is unprecedented in an airframe. Think about it.
And you need to be convinced that they have the right infrastructure in place, they have the right people in the team, they have the right ideas, and they don't want to be the 1,000 aircraft Boeing 747 operator in 2 weeks.
I also see this as an investment and also creating job opportunities for our people. At the end of the day, that's what it's about for any meaningful entrepreneur.
But 328, and what Ray is saying, get this, this is very different. They're not providing a support from the point of view of managing your airline. No. They're going to bring, ultimately, an MRO here. They're going to bring in a simulator. They're going to bring in training, and all these are going to be managed by Nigerians.
Well, we will invest in infrastructure, such as training schools, such as logistics centres and MRO as the fleet grows. We've also been this week speaking to some other partners in Nigeria about how we have the initial support.
Quorum Aviation have announced there's a partnership with Kaduna State Government to start the shuttle between Abuja and Kaduna.
But our vision is that in Nigeria we have a world-class maintenance organisation. We have world-class training facilities for engineers, for pilots, including when the fleet is large enough to have a simulator in Nigeria.
Because it's not the airframe alone that you blame, it's the pilots and so on. And when we went to Germany to look at the 328 and fly in the 328, this is an aircraft that is the one I entered, how old is it, 20 what?
25 years old.
If you look, I'm a pilot and I went into the cockpit of a 25-year-old aircraft, and the instrumentation in the cockpit was more advanced. It's at the same level as the 787 today and the A350. And this is a 26-year-old aircraft. This is something that would have taken them 5 years to design before then.
So my point is that when we signed the aviation infrastructure facility agreement with Kaduna State Government to say we are going to put a service between Kaduna and Abuja, we did it boldly. We want to do it more sustainably. With the relationship and the agreement we're signing here today, I think it provides an opportunity to make it more sustainable. Not just for Abuja, Kaduna, well, actually for the whole country, but also for the region.
And we are very pleased that he has selected our airframe going forward, and I'm very pleased to be making this signature on behalf of my company. And we look forward to the exciting journey together.
Cooperation agreement for the establishment of a new regional aircraft operation in Nigeria between 328 Support Services and Quorum Aviation Limited. The agreement is about to be signed. Can we applaud the parties, please?